I hope you're all doing well. Today I've come with a video to tell you guys what you need to take care of when you're uploading a video. So I am basing this video on the problems I experienced when I was uploading my first video. First thing is thumbnail. When uploading a video, you should choose a thumbnail that describes your video before reading the title. You can see in most of my videos I've put the title of the video in the thumbnail, so people can understand, can know what the video is about. Second thing is the title. What you should take care of when putting the title on your video is you should not have any regional language, punctuation marks, emojis, and do not put things like blog number 1 or any numbers. Don't put your channel name at the start of the video, because most people will not search for a video using those things. Normally people will search for a video, for example, if you want to make a red velvet cake, you can see that these are the ones that come first without an oven at home from scratch, and you should search and see which ones come first and base your title on those types of keywords. Thirdly is description. A description is a simple and detailed version of your title. People who are interested in your video will read the description even if they did not watch the video. If you're doing a recipe or tech related tutorial video, you should always have what you used in the video in the description, and if you're going to put a link in the description, always have it at the end, and always have a label to show where that link will take you. And after that is taglines. Taglines are ways people can search for your videos other than the title, so they can give you more audience than without a title. Another thing you should take care of is here, if your video is made for kids, for example cartoon, educational videos, or nursery rhymes or songs, you should put yes, it is made for kids. When you're doing this, there won't be comments, and most of your audience will come from YouTube Kids. And like my video now, it is not made for kids, and this means it will not go to YouTube Kids, and it will stay in the normal YouTube, and it will have comments. Another thing you need to take care of is here in more options, in additional options, allow embedding. Normally it will be ticked on. You should always remove the tick because it gives you more value for external views. If any of you have made these mistakes, you can change them even after publishing a video by going to your channel, going to YouTube Studio, and in YouTube Studio going to your videos section, coming here, choosing the video that you want to change, go to its details, and you can change it in the video details like title, description, thumbnail, audience, taglines, and in more options you can check if about embedding, allowing comments. And also remember, you should make sure your category is very specific, and it should unless you can't find a specific category, only should you choose another one. And you should try and give a rough video location, don't give a specific location. So for example, if you are doing a vlog in a hotel, if someone wants to go to the hotel, they can know its exact location. And if you are free with saying the recording date, you can also do that. So that was it for the video. I hope you liked it, and I hope it will be helpful for people who are starting to upload video. I am not a professional. I am basing this on my personal experiences, and if you have any suggestions or questions, you can write it in the comment. I'll try to respond, and just subscribe, share, like, and support my channel. Thank you. Stay safe. Goodbye.